Hello everyone, hello. It's the one and only DJ from subscribe. What are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe. You get one video when I say I'll put the video more than just listing, but I want just talk small thing inside. You know when I dey talk and sometimes say some people they marry to their enemy. Una not they understand. Some people you just follow man they have saying you no go even know say na your enemy you follow theirs. You no go know say this man pretender, he no love you. He just as in you be like say they send am come your life. I never notice am. Some men like that. Some men be like that too. Hmm. Like this story where this woman they talk about just now when I see I'll put some when I just listen. Which they talk and just now say the woman say the man the husband can't change overnight. He change, they even why even know whether she they exist again, they even touch her, nothing. Only when they want collect something from her, you go pretend to be nice, like say maybe everything they okay. After I don't collect the thing, you go boof am. Sometimes you're married to your enemy, you no go know. Just pray. Now by the grace of God, now you will say the right man. Say you come marry to your enemy, my dear. Now what you will see now be all those ones so. Now this woman they see so. Now she they see so I feel for her. It's not easy for you to deal with man. The one who come pay me pass. He says she can they get one sharp pain for a belly. Then she can go hospital, blood can they come out. Then she can they cry, they shout. Could you believe say this man no manner? The man no even manner, not even do like say see him. So you want them to say that one na your husband. That one na enemy to her. Enemy na it be. So I just want to talk this part for the video. Then I will put a more and see what I talk about, my darling people. Thank you. And watch the video and see the full story. So thank you.
Blessing Ibigesi, popularly known as Black Queen. I'm a Nollywood actor and a filmmaker. Okay, so this morning I want to talk about another case. This lady right now, as we speak, she's in the hospital. She lives in Italy. And she's been following me for years, and she called me and told me that about 7 days ago, she was rushed to the hospital because she was bleeding. She's pregnant and she's been married for a year now, but she has been with this man for 7 years. They have 3 children already, boys, and she's pregnant with the fourth baby. And she said that before they got married, the man was not behaving like this, but since they got married, the man has become like a total stranger. The man does not even care for her. Sometimes the man will even go for months without even touching her or anything, without even no romance, nothing. It's as if they are enemies. Sometimes the man will just keep malice with her for a month plus in the same house. He won't talk to her, and no matter what she does, the man does not help her cook, does not help her do anything. Like now she's pregnant, it's the first time that she's feeling this bad in pregnancy. That pregnancy normally does not stress her this much, but since she got pregnant with this baby, she has been like sick. She's been like not having, pregnancy, they come with different challenges, but that since then, that this man can, even when she's in the hospital, the man cannot even cook for his children to eat. She has to send friends to come and cook for the children at home, and that she's depressed. She doesn't even know what to do. She's frustrated. The man is frustrating her. And I asked her, did you call any of this man's relative to talk to them? So she said yes, that she has been calling the brother. She's actually from Edo State, Benin City, and the man is a Yoruba man. And that a very young man, he sent me their picture, beautiful, handsome man. The woman too is very beautiful, and she even sent me their wedding photos and everything. They look so good together. Their kids are fantastic. And then I asked her, I said, since when, what happened, why did he change? He said actually since they got married, that the attitude just changed, that he's somebody that if he wants to collect money from her, he will pet her. That even before he used to do that, but it was not that obvious like now. He will pet her, immediately he collects that money, he will start misbehaving. Sometimes he will go out of the house, he won't come back for hours. Sometimes he will come back in the midnight, he will not even ask, touch her, not do nothing. He will just go back to sleep. In the morning again, will go again. He doesn't care. that this last one that happened, she started feeling sharp pain in her stomach, and then she went to the toilet and she started seeing blood. She started shouting and crying. The man was in the other room. The man didn't even call. It was her son that came and saw blood and went to call their neighbor. The neighbor then called the doctor, and they came to ambulance came and rushed her to the hospital. That the man, since she's been in the hospital, the man came only twice, and that twice he just came and he didn't even ask her, how are you feeling, how is the baby, nothing. He just came and said, your friend wanted to come, so I came with them. And then later he just said, I'm going. Nothing, no feeling, no nothing, no sorry, no, I just felt so bad for her. And I'm like, and she was crying, and I told her, I said, please, the woman is already depressed actually. And I tried to advise her, I tried to talk to her, that first of all, she said she's tired of the marriage, that the only reason why she has not invited police is because they will seize her children, they will take her children, that all these marriages in Europe, that immediately you invite police, your children, they take them away, and she doesn't want all those kinds of things. So I told her, and that also her major concern is that she doesn't want her friends to laugh at her. And I told her, I said, see my dear, it's better for your friends to laugh at you than for you to lose your life. So that is not even a point of contention. Let's leave that one in one side. And I told her, I said, right now what you need is to calm down so that you will not lose your pregnancy. Calm down so that you will not have hypertension after you give birth to this baby, because right now you can't be talking of divorce, you can't be thinking of divorce. Focus on this child, give birth to this child. After giving birth to this child, you can now think straight and take a decision. And I told her, I say, you too, a man that is not caring for you, why are you still getting pregnant? By the story you told me, you already have at least 2 children. And then she now did another voice note to tell me she actually has 3 children. I said, well, you have 3 children, what do you get pregnant for? He said the man said he wants a girl and she's looking for a girl. I said, okay, fine, I hope that by the grace of God this 4th one will be a girl. Maybe that will soften his mind and change his mind. So, and he said that the man does not let her do anything for her people. Anytime she wants to do anything in Nigeria in her place, the man will say, no, let's do it in my place and everything. And if she refuses, it become a problem. You understand that even the mother, her mother, the man does not call the woman, and if she wants to call the woman, the man will be. And I told her, I said, see my dear, that one is an excuse. You can take care of your mother without your husband doing anything. When you send your mother money, why do you want to tell your husband that you send your mother money to eat? If you know that the man does not like you sending money to your family, you can send them money without letting him know, to eat food. I mean, she's your mother and all that. And that was my advice to her. So I told her, for now she cannot be thinking of divorce because she's not in the right condition and right frame of mind to think of divorce. Let her give birth to that baby first, and if things does not change, then she can now start thinking of what to do. For right now, she should think of only that pregnancy and her life, because when you are pregnant as a woman, one life is in the world and one is in the other side, you understand. And I hope that I am using this video as a point of contact to pray for everybody pregnant, that they will not lose their lives and they will not lose the baby. So those are the things I discussed with her, and I felt so sorry for her. I don't even know what else to say, but I have made it a point of contact to keep in touch with her, to always call her, because you see, sometimes when you are going through this kind of problems, you need people to talk to. Just by talking to people and bearing your mind, you can be getting your sanity back, and then things will be good. And I also told her, I said, see, it's because you are expecting too much love from this man, that is why you're feeling frustrated. Since you know that this is how he is, don't expect him to cuddle you, don't expect love from him. Just live your life like that. By the time you see that he sees that you don't really care about these things anymore, he might now think that, I'm about to lose this woman. No, then he will start doing the right things. You understand? So let's try that strategy first. If it doesn't work, then we'll know that it's a lost case. But you can't just want to bail out of a marriage because of these small things. Even though the way she explained this thing, the man is behaving like a monster. How can you marry somebody and be treating the person like you people are enemies? Why did you not marry her in the first place? And this is somebody I've spent the last 6-7 years with, and that has 3 beautiful boys for you. So guys, what do you think my advice was? Was it okay? Do you people think that she should file for divorce now that she's still pregnant? By the way, she's still in the hospital, that she should start thinking of divorce? Or do you think that, agree with me, that she should give birth to this baby first before she can even start thinking of the way forward for that marriage? For now, she should focus on her health and her baby. That was my advice to her. And also, what do you think she can do to make that man change? his ways, because according to her explanation, the man likes his friends, he goes out a lot, he does not even stay at home, he does not care about her family. It's only when the man wants money that he will even have sex with her, and then when he gets the money, boom, off he goes again. So these are things that are not nice. Don't use people, please. Don't use people. If you are that man, you are outside there, you're using women, please change your ways. If you're that woman, you're outside there, you're using men, change your ways. You can't always just get what you want and then you leave the person high and dry. You get, this is like a business venture. You guys are all put equal partners in this whole relationship. Let's try to put our best in relationships. It breaks my heart when two people that fell in love with themselves start behaving like enemies. Now I begin to wonder, what did the person see in that person in the first place, or what happened, what changed? If things are changing, tell the person, these are the things I saw before and these are the things that are changing and I am not liking them. Discuss, talk about these things. Don't just bottle it in and expect your partner to know. They might not know. So for me, that was my advice, and I just believe that that's the best thing. I mean, somebody that is in the hospital and pregnant and is even about to lose her baby cannot be thinking of divorce. And she's even afraid that the government will take her children. And she's also afraid that her friends will laugh at her. Although, for that laughing aspect, I don't see anything there. Because, I mean, people who don't marry, who dey laugh them, people wey don divorce, you won't be the first person to get married and you won't be the first person to get divorced. So those are the things. Don't come and think that your friends will laugh at you and then the roof is falling. The roof will fall on you, not your friends, and eventually they will still laugh. So why don't you just let them laugh? Let them laugh, now then get their mouths, you understand? Anyway, so that is for her own case, and I just want you to see what I said to her, and or what you think I would have said to her. She's going to see it, she's going to read it. Just post. If you want to send a voice note to advise her, you can send it to me, I'll forward it to her. But if you want to just write it on the under the video, she's going to see it definitely. Thank you guys, thank you very, very much. I love you.